climb inside the 2012 Jeep Wrangler. With fewer than 3,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, skid plates, and more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.